Now, over in St. Catherine, water woes appear to have worsened and the parish council is trying to keep up. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson explains.
Earlier this year, the authorities warned about a potential shortage as one of St. Catherine's main water source, the Rio Cobre Basin, became increasingly stressed due to the increased housing developments in the parish. Well, that fear is now fact. Spanish Town's Mayor Norman Scott described the water shortage gripping the parish at present as extremely chronic.
Almost everywhere. In some city is without water, I'm told. I get the complaint. Spanish Town proper, a lot of areas. In some rural communities, Riversdale, Linstead, Rosal, I'm getting the complaints.
With these dry times come disease threats, particularly in schools where students and teachers don't have water for sanitary use. As a result, school leaders are now being forced to make tough decisions.
Some schools may have to send home students and staff.
In order to meet the needs of some residents, the St. Catherine Parish Council says it will truck water to them. Some residents will also be asked to make further sacrifices so that other residents can get a share of the scarce commodity.
We really have responsibility for wayside tanks and communities that don't have potable water. And we have to shift resources from these communities. And I want to apologize to them that they may see the schedule being lengthened as it relates to the time that they would normally have their tanks filled and such like.
For the local government leadership in the parish, the situation is further compounded by what it calls the lack of communication from the National Water Commission. For them, if the NWC outlined the challenges earlier, they would have been in a better position to prepare for the crisis. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.